Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am Almira Teresita Pascasio, and for today, magluluto po tayo ng special seafood palabok prepared by Ate Leia. Una po nating i-prepare ay ang sauce ng ating palabok. Kailangan po natin ng cooking oil, garlic, onion at swete, loaf bread soaked and mashed in water, shrimp broth, tinapa, fish sauce, magic syrup, pepper and salt. So una, iinit lang po natin ang ating kawali or ang ating pan, and then let's add cooking oil. After, igisa po natin ang bawang, and then after that, sibuyas. Yan. After igisa ang bawang sibuyas, i-melt po nating atsuete sa warm water. Then, mix lang po natin siya. Then, let's prepare the bread. Yung bread po natin, binabad natin siguro mga 30 minutes, and then minashed natin siya in water. Ayan po yung magpapalapot, magpapaganda at magpapasarap sa ating sauce. Yan po. Then, let's add the shrimp broth. Bali po sa amin, meron po kaming shrimp head and then nilaga po namin siya. So, ayan po yung magpapananam at magpapasarap po. So, stir well, make sure na ma-spread yung taste and then the color of that swete. Then, ikarga na rin po natin ang ating tinapa flakes. It's better na ihalo po natin ang tinapa flakes while making the sauce para yung nanam nung tinapa manunuot na siya doon sa sauce. O diba? Ang lapot na po niya. Then, magdagdag lang po tayo ng asin. Then, kung optional, magic syrup. And then, fish sauce or ang ating patis. So, estimate nyo na lang po. Then, let's add pepper and mix again with slow fire. Yan. After nating gawin ang sauce, iset aside po natin siya and then prepare po natin ang ating toppings. So, let's set aside the sauce, and for the toppings, kailangan natin butter, hard-boiled eggs, shrimp, squid, chicharon, spring onions. For our shrimp toppings, init lang natin ang ating kawali, idagdag ang butter, and then ikarga ang ating peeled shrimp. Then, karga rin po tayo ng salt to taste, and magic syrup. It's optional, para additional pampalasa lang po siya. After nating igisa, iset aside na po natin siya in a bowl. Next is, let's prepare again another butter for our pusit or squid. Sliced po siya. Gisa-gisa lang po natin siya ulit. Kargahan na lang din po natin siya ng magic syrup for additional flavor or asin. Igisa lang po natin siya. Automatically, magkakaroon po siya ng tubig, pero hayaan lang po natin na mag-evaporate. Then after, set aside again. Finish! Next, for the pasta naman ng ating preparation. Kailangan natin ng special palabok or cornstarch sticks. So, let's just boil the water, and then after that, when it reach on the boiling point, ikarga na po natin ang ating special pansit palabok. Then, let's just keep on mixing and wait until it will be cooked. Then, after, i-drain na lang po natin siya. Ayan na po siya yung finished product natin. So, kailangan rin natin yung spring onion. Ayan na po yung ating shrimp. Ayan na rin po yung ating pusit, ang ating hard-boiled egg, chicharon, and the sauce that we've made earlier. So, ayan na po siya. So, this is how we do it. Let's mix the sauce. Special thanks to Ate Leia for sharing her special palabok recipe. Thank you po, Ate Leia. So, ganyan lang po ang ating gagawin. Pansit, and then sauce, and then spread it on our container or in a plate. Just like that. And then, ikarga po natin ang ating chicharon. Any chicharon will do. And then, ang ating sliced shrimp. Yung isang buong shrimp, in-slice into 2 for our toppings. Diba? Sarap! Nagugutom ka na ba? So then, you must try making it. Ang sarap po niya, sobra. What she is putting now is the squid for plating and for the toppings. Then, she's now slicing the hard-boiled egg. Yan po siya. Sa mga nanonood po ngayon, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel for more videos. Special thanks to my very supportive housemates here in Qatar, Kuya Arnold, Kuya Dave, Happy, Kuya Felix, CJ, sa aking mga kaibigan, and then kay Hisham, and then kay Alejandro, Aloysa, Aldwina, Jillian, Mama Resi, Ninang Pabi, Ninang Agnes. Thank you! And to all my friends, kay Jelay, kay Carla, thank you for watching. And to all who are watching now my videos, thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and click all notification bell for more updates. Thank you!